Dear colleagues, good afternoon. My name is Natasa Toplak and I'm pediatric rheumatologist from University Children's Hospital in Ljubljana, Slovenia. I would like to invite you to join my lecture at the Congress of Autoimmunity, which will be held in Ljubljana in May, from 17 to 20 May. I'm going to talk about vaccinations in children with immune-mediated diseases, and I will touch three very important issues when it comes to vaccinations. This is safety, immunogenicity, and efficacy. Well, there is no doubt that vaccinations are one of the major achievements in medicine in the last century, and vaccination is definitely the most important preventive measure against infection. And this is extremely important in children with immune-mediated diseases who are immunocompromised because of the disease itself and also because of the treatment that they are receiving. Recently, new recommendations for vaccination in children with autoimmune inflammatory rheumatic diseases were published, and there is no doubt that vaccination with non-live vaccine in these children, regardless of the therapy that they are receiving, is safe. There are, however, still many open issues about vaccination with live attenuated vaccine in these children. So if you want to hear more about the safety, immunogenicity, and efficacy of vaccines in children with rheumatological diseases, please join my lecture at the Autoimmunity Congress in May in Ljubljana. Thank you very much.